Welcome to my channel, The Immigrant. Life in the United States. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to help YouTube algorithm easily find immigration videos in this channel for you. Also, stick around until the end of the video to learn some visa tips and some interesting visa trivia. Thank you. In this video, you will be provided with the information on United States Citizenship and Immigration Services time range to process USCIS Form I-130 known as Petition for Alien Relative. USCIS generally processes cases in the order they were received. Also included in this video is to check whether your application was left out and what you need to do. The United States immigration law allows certain non-citizens, who are family members of U.S. citizens, and lawful permanent residents, to become lawful permanent residents, meaning they can obtain a green card, contingent on specific family relationships. Those immediate relatives of a United States citizen, which an immigrant visa is always available, are as follows. Spouse of a U.S. citizen. Unmarried child who is under 21 years of age of a U.S. citizen. Orphan adopted abroad by a U.S. citizen. Orphan to be adopted in the United States by a U.S. citizen. Parent of a U.S. citizen who is at least 21 years old. Family preference categories, which must wait until a visa number should be available before they can apply for a green card, are as follows. Unmarried, adult sons and daughters of U.S. citizens who are 21 years old or over. Spouses and unmarried children of permanent residents who are under 21 years old. Unmarried adult sons and daughters of permanent residents. Married sons and daughters of United States citizens. And brothers and sisters of adult U.S. citizens. If you properly file Form I-130 Petition for Alien Relative, USCIS will initially respond by mailing you a receipt notice that confirms receipt of your petition. Formerly known as Form I-797C, Notice of Action. You can find the date of receipt in the portion of this form. Please, take note of your date of receipt as it will be your basis, if you need to file for a service inquiry based on the dates that will follow shortly. What you are about to see are the processing times at the different service centers as of March 30, 2022. Here is the processing time at the California Service Center. If you submitted your form to the California Service Center, and the receipt date in your Form I-797 is before the dates shown here, and you haven't received anything yet from USCIS, you may submit an outside normal time service request online in the USCIS website. Here is the processing time at Nebraska Service Center. If you submitted your form to the Nebraska Service Center, and the receipt date in your Form I-797 is before the dates shown here, and you haven't received anything yet from USCIS, you may submit an outside normal time service request online in the USCIS website. Here is the processing time at Potomac Service Center. If you submitted your form to the Potomac Service Center, and the receipt date in your Form I-797 is before the dates shown here, and you haven't received anything yet from USCIS, you may submit an outside normal time service request online in the USCIS website. Here is the processing time at the Texas Service Center. If you submitted your form to the Texas Service Center, and the receipt date in your Form I-797 is before the dates shown here, and you haven't received anything yet from USCIS, you may submit an outside normal time service request online in the USCIS website. Here is the processing time at Vermont Service Center. If you submitted your form to the Vermont Service Center, and the receipt date in your Form I-797 is before the dates shown here, and you haven't received anything yet from USCIS, you may submit an outside normal time service request online in the USCIS website. You may send USCIS an inquiry if your case has been pending longer than the processing time provided. The link, where to submit a service request for a case that is outside normal processing time, is found at the description box of this video. Here, I hope you got some good news today. In the meantime, while waiting for your notification from USCIS, empower yourself, stay healthy, and keep your background record spotless. If you find this video useful, please come back regularly to check for more visa updates, visa trivia, and visa tips. Suggested links to stay fit and healthy are provided in this channel, also some video tutorials on some skills you may be interested to learn and possibly earn in the future. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel to help YouTube algorithm find my informational videos and make them easily searchable for you. Check out other videos in this channel as well. Good luck on your visa journey.